I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze in the face of defeat, yeah. I was rolled down with no bailout on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode. So I've been told that I should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no. But you can hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me now. Yeah, I rose up from the dead. Your words and
Going down a little bit. Alright guys, well, that's kind of the damage, but let's get into it. I'm here in my shop. It's like half wood shop right now. Yeah, so I got my nice COVID cut. Haven't been in a while. Woo! One note, I always like to wash my bike right after I'm done riding. Of course, the last time, yeah, I was pretty hurting. And this time, and like now, I want to wash it before I work on it. But my excuse, the engine's open, and I don't want to be spraying it down with the hose or anything, so get the header on, and then I can put the plug in the exhaust and give it a good washing before I get into the rest of it. As you can see, it's all cleaned up, back together. Got that FMF Gnarly on there, and man, this bike was running good. When I first hopped on it, I was like, whoa, there's so much power. But you know what, I hadn't ridden it a couple weeks, and the week before, I put about an hour and a half on the 150, so I don't know. It just felt good. Just ripping around, testing everything out. My wraparound handguards were pretty beat up, so I took those off. I've actually bent and broken 2 clutch levers, dropping it at a standstill with the wraparound handguards on, so I'm back to the flags. Bye-bye. Little Teflon tape underneath, get them tight but not super tight, and push the levers in. Also put these KTM bar ends on. They suck. These are pieces of junk. On the inside there's a rubber piece that expands, and there's a nut that goes down onto it, but what happens is the nut ends up going inside the rubber sleeve, and then it doesn't push on it so that it expands. I wish I had a picture, but I don't. I'm not taking these off. I pre-cinched them down, smacked it in with a mallet. I think I'm going to go to a different set of bars though. I want to get a little bit higher bend, being 6'1", and that'll give me a little bit more room in the cockpit. From riding the 150, it's got that low seat. The ergonomics in the cockpit feel really good. Obviously my legs are a little bit pushed up, but you know, my torso and the handlebar ratio and everything, I think that feels really good. So I'll go to high bar and try that out. But I gotta get some better bar ends. So let me know what you think in the comments about the exhaust, or what you think about ergonomics and what you're doing for hand controls and hand guards. I'm just kind of experimenting here and trying to figure out what works for me. If you got any tips, let me know. As always, for myself, Justin, Weekender ADV, thanks for watching. Be safe and have fun riding.